So good morning friends. So welcome to my channel. Today I have brought a new job that is Azure Data Engineering. So Azure Data Engineer role. Company name is LLP S3B Global Technologies. They are asking some Azure Data Engineers having a minimum of 3 to 5 years experience in this Azure Data Engineering field. So job locations are Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Hyderabad and Pune and Bangalore. So the employee must good knowledge in Azure and Azure Databricks. Okay. The job title is Azure Data Engineer and interview mode is video mode. So if anybody select in this role, they must work in 6 months contract. Okay. So the employee must have good experience with Azure Data and Databricks. So in this 3 to 5 experience of this field, data modeling. Design and develop data model for Azure-based data solutions, including data lakes, data warehouse, and data pipelines, and data architecture. Collaborate with data architects and engineers to define data architecture patterns and best practice for Azure. Next, ETL process, develop and optimize extract transfer load, that is ETL process to move and transfer data with Azure data in environments. So please go through all parameters. This is a good job and good package job. So qualification is bachelor degree in computer science, information technology or related field, a relevant certification. Example, Azure data engineering and Azure data scientist are a plus. Okay. So knowledge of Azure services relate to data. Example, Azure Data SQL Data Warehouse, Azure Data Lake Storage, and Azure Synapse Analytics. So these are the skills. And graduation is, and qualification is any graduation and any post graduation. So this is a good job. If anybody interest, I will give this link in the description. Go and click and apply for this job. Thank you, guys.